I'm checking in for the first time at the apartment in Quebec City. Let's take a look. I just put my bags in. Very spacious and modern. Fridge. Oh, I'm pulling the whole fridge out. Guess it opens. Yeah, how do you open the fridge? Oh, the other side, okay. Alright, got a little coffee machine there. Looks like I could cook if I wanted to. Cutting board, cleaning supplies. What's up here? Oh, yeah, it's fully stocked. Pantry, dishwasher. Nice couch. Let's see these lights. Living room and dining area. Heat only. Guess there's no lighting here. I have to turn these on. Nice couch. I have a small little balcony. Television. Here's the bedroom. Guess I have to use this. Okay. Guess I have to work with those four stoppers in order to open the closet. Nice mirror. Like the dining room table. Could always use this closet too. Yep. Laundry right here. Like how they label the light switches. Nice standing shower. Really nice mirror. First aid kit, that's very useful. That's a lock drawer. What about consumables? Do I have another roll of toilet paper? Oh, plenty. Yeah, it looks like a very, very nice place. I'm really impressed. Laundry detergent. All right, this is where I'm going to be spending my time in Quebec City. Looks very good.